Asymptotic notation. Today we will discuss about it. What they are. First we have big O notation. Big O notation. Second we have omega notation. Third we have theta notation, and fourth we have small o notation, and fifth one we have small omega notation. These 5 notations we have. So first we will discuss about big O notation. Before that, let's understand what they have exactly. Let Fn and Gn be two positive functions. Let Fn and Gn are two positive functions, and n is here n is number of inputs. Here n is number of inputs. So Fn is equals to n minus 100 if we get positive value. So we can say for larger n values, n minus 100 if we get positive, then we can say for larger n values. And it can be like this also. 100 minus n, we will get negative for larger n values. In both the case, n values are larger. So in this case we will get positive value, in this case we will get negative value. And Fn and Gn we are supposing are positive functions. So let's understand with big O notation what is this exactly. Big O notation. If Fn is big O Gn, if Fn is big O Gn, or we can say if Fn is equals to big O Gn, if and only if and only if Fn is less than equals to Cgn. Fn is equals to big O Gn if and only if Fn is less than equals to Cgn, such that there exist two positive constants C and N naught. There are two positive constants. There exist two positive constants C and N naught, where N naught is greater than 0 and C naught is also greater than 0 for all n greater than equals to N naught, equals to N naught. So let's take an example. Suppose we have example Fn is equals to n plus 10 and Gn is equals to n. So how we will handle it? As we have Fn is equals to order of Gn, then Fn will be less than equals to Cgn, and we write Fn is equals to n plus 10 and C and n, as we have Gn value n and Fn value n plus 10. Then if we take C is equals to 2, then n plus 10 will be less than equals to 2 into n. That we can say write like this also: n plus 10 less than equals to n into n. If we take c is equals to 2, then we can write like this: n plus 10 less than or equals to 2 into n, or we can say like this also: n plus 10 is less than or equals to n plus n. So that is okay for c value. And for larger value of n, suppose if we take n is equals to 10, 11 and so on. So if we take n naught is equals to 10, so suppose if we take n naught is equals to 10, so we can write like this: n plus 10 from here, n plus 10 is equals to c into n. And if we put this n is equals to 10 plus 10 is equals to, as we have taken c is equals to 2 here, so we can write 2, and this n value is 10, so we can say simply 20 is equals to 20. 20 is equals to 20. So it proves that n plus 10 is equals to order of n, or we can say n plus 10 is less than or equals to c n. So it proves it that fn is equals to order of gn, or we can say fn is less than or equals to cgn. Let's take another example. Suppose we have fn is equals to n minus 10 and gn is equals to n. So fn is equals to order of gn, or big O gn. So fn is equals to less than equals to c gn. So we write n minus 10 is less than or equals to cn. So if we take n naught value is 1, n naught value is 1, if we take n naught value is 1, so what it will be? It will be, if we put here 1 minus 10, so definitely it will be less than n. Or if we put c value is 1, so also we can say n minus 10 is less than 1 into n. This also proves that. So if we take n naught value is 1, so this also proves that the same thing, that 1 minus 10 obviously is less than or equals to cn, whatever value. Or if we put c is equals to 1 here, then n minus 10 is less than or equals to 1 into n. Then definitely, because here n minus 10, so definitely it will be less than or equals to n. So this proves here that fn is equals to order of gn, or fn is equals to less than or equals to cgn. So in that way we can prove these things, that it is order of gn or not, by putting the n naught value or by putting the c value. Here we are putting n naught is equals to 1, then what we will get here? And if we putting c value 1 here, then n minus 10 is 1 into n. So definitely this is n and this is n minus 10, then definitely this is less than this. So it proves that that function is fn is equals to order of, or big O gn. And if we put n naught value 1 here, then what we will get? What we will get? Minus 9, and the c value is 1 here, and n naught value is also 1 here. So definitely this also proves that fn is less than or equals to cgn.